Do you need to have a full website before you can sell anything online? Of course not. There are just a few things you need. You need to have a product, like a course or a membership or a coaching product. And you need a checkout and you need a place where you can people send to so they can buy that product from you. In my previous videos I showed you how you can build your course or your community or your coaching product. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your store page and make it the home page of your website. But before we continue, if you want to learn how you can build an online business up to 100k with the 3 products I just mentioned, download the HitchHikers Guide to 100k. In this HitchHikers Guide, I'll give you the 6 steps you need to take to get to that 100k yearly business. Let me take you inside Kajabi. In our previous video we built this checkout page and it is a fully functional checkout page. But when you look at the URL, it's pretty complicated, not easy to remember. That's why I want to put this checkout in my store so people can find it easily. In Kajabi you will find the store page under website. But before we're going to customize it, I want to take you to design. Design is the place where you can set up your website template and you can use a template by Kajabi from the template store, or you can upload your own template here. You can use any template if you like, but if you want to upload the design you see currently on the screen, this design you get when you start with Kajabi using our link. If you don't have Kajabi yet, follow the link below and I can give you the best offer we can give you. It's a 30-day free trial for Kajabi and you get access to our launch pack. And this includes a full video training. It includes the website template you just saw. You get swipe copy, you get access to our community, and if you continue with Kajabi, we have 2 more bonuses for you. Now you have your first template here, you can go to customize. And on top you will see if you are on the home page or one of the other pages. We need to go to the store page. The store page is the place where you can put in all your products. And when you just start with the store page, you see 3 blocks saying click here to select an offer to display. In our previous videos we created this offer so you can click this and you can select the offer. It's called healthy food. And Kajabi will grab the image, the name and the pricing from your offer. Below it you can add a call to action button, and I personally like to have a call to action button on these cards. It just makes it a bit more obvious they need to click on it. You also see the price point here, and I don't know if you like to have the price here. If you don't like it, you want to take it away. This needs a little trick because Kajabi doesn't have an option to show or unshow the price point here. For this, click on back and now you are in the section with the 3 offers, 1, 2, 3 offers. And first we can hide the second and the third offer. So now we only have our offer here, and you can add a new block and select custom code. And with just a simple line of code, you can hide this price point. It's an extra trick I like to give. For this, start with the triangle bracket, type style, close with the other triangle bracket. As you see here, it has style and slash style. You can press enter, and between the style tags, you write h5 dot cart underscore price space, curly bracket, display, double column, none. It ends with a semicolon and another bracket. When you have this, you see the price point has disappeared. It's just a simple code trick. This block, custom block, it's floating here on the screen and I don't want it to take space on my screen. So I make it 12 columns. Now it's full width and still here, as you see, but also has height. And for this, go to desktop and select make flash. Let's click on the button once more. You can style the button, give it your own text, but the most important thing is to connect the button with your checkout page. And for this, go to button action, and here you can select a lot of options you want to connect with. You can go to landing pages, checkout pages, download URL, all kind of other things. I only use 2 of them. The first one is go to checkout, and this is the one we need now for the healthy food. So now this button is connected to our checkout page, healthy food. Let me preview that. And when I press the button, it will show our checkout page. People can pay, they will get access to your course, and everything is rolling. If you're not using the Kajabi payment system, if you're using an external payment platform like Thrivecart, then you don't want to connect the button with the checkout page. You use the go-to URL. And here you can type in your external checkout URL and people will go to that page. There's one more step I like to take. When people go to your website URL, they will see the website you haven't built yet. And I want to show them the store page. So let's get back to our dashboard, back to design, and scroll down till you see settings. Go to site details, scroll till you see homepage, and here you can select what you want to show. The template homepage, but we haven't set up our website yet. And you can select store. Select store, scroll up and save the page. Now, when you send people to your website URL and they will find your page, they will go immediately to your store page. They can press the buy now button, they come to the checkout, they can pay, they get access to your products. It's working like a charm. If you have come this far, build your product, build your checkout, build your store page, why not ask a few people to visit your page? And why not ask them to join you in your first product? The feedback you will get will help you with all the next steps, building your website, building your funnel, building your online business. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Don't forget to download the HitchHikers guide or start with Kajabi and get our wonderful launch pack bonus for free. This is the end of this module. In the next video series, we're going to build your forever funnel. I'm Bastiaan the Koning from Jiffy Course Online and I hope to see you in the next video.